students, myself B.S. Chauhan from St. Joseph Public School. Now today we discuss about for class 7. Now my next topic is fraction. Before it we discuss about the integer for this class. Now आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे फ्रैक्शन के बारे में. फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? Point by point, definition of a fraction. What is the definition? You know about the meaning of fraction. We write the n upon d, where n means numerator and d means denominator. Numerator upon denominator. Write the some number like 2 upon 3, 7 upon 5, 9 upon 4, like this one. These all numbers are called in the form of fraction form. Now, there is a clear definition of a fraction. We write the one number is upper part numerator and one in जो अपन नीचे लिखते हैं denominator. So numerator and upon denominator is called the fraction. Some examples are also right. 2 upon 3, 7 upon 5 and 9 upon 4. So this definition is clear. Now second point. My second point is the proper and improper fraction. Proper and improper. Now, what do you mean by proper and improper fraction? Fractions में भी types होती हैं, proper and improper. हो सकता है आप लोगों को 6th क्लास में ये पढ़ाया गया हो, लेकिन फिर से एक बार अपन डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. What is called proper and what is called improper fraction? Actually, proper fraction. Suppose we write 2 upon 3. 7 upon 9, 12 upon 50. You know, what is the symmetry for this, all the fractions? In this, numerator is greater than, numerator is greater than, and numerator is numerator is less than, numerator is less than, and numerator is less than. That means numerator is less than denominator. So numerator when less than denominator, so such a fractions are called proper fractions. जब भी अगर ये नंबर इससे less than है, 2 less than 3, 7 is less than 9, and 12 is less than 50. ऐसे fractions को हम proper fraction कहते हैं. These all are proper fractions. Next, improper. Same we write the 3 upon 2, 9 upon 7, 15 upon 12. Now 19 upon 17. This time, numerator is greater than denominator. इस बार हम न्यूमरेटर के बेसिस पर हम इसकी पहचान कर रहे हैं. डिनोमिनेटर को आप चाहे तो डिनोमिनेटर के बेसिस पे भी कर सकते हैं, but we write the numerator less than denominator, then proper, and numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper. So these is called improper fraction. These all the fractions are called improper. It is the clear meaning of proper and improper. Just find out see the numerator and denominator. What is the relation between numerator and denominator? Which number is greater than and which number is less than? According to number less than or greater than, you can find out the proper or improper fraction. Is it clear? Now, my next point, third, I will discuss about mixed fraction. mixed fraction is the important part of a fraction. That means mixed के नाम से ही पता चल रहा है. That means यहाँ हम whole number और एक fractions को mix करने वाले हैं. For example, suppose we take 9 upon 7. This is the one fraction is given. It is the improper fraction. So just we divide 7 and 9 divided by 7. So 7 into 1, 7, and remainder is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. Now when this number is there, less than, अभी किसमें चेंज हो गया? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. अगर किसी भी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन अगर आपको गिवन है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस को अपन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस गिवन होगा उसी को आपको मिक्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो वी कैन राइट like this one, this method. First you write 1, 9 upon 7 is equal to 1 and 2 upon 7. This is called mixed fraction. One more example we discuss here. Suppose we write the 7 upon 9 upon 4. Now divide 4 and 9. 4 into 2, 8 minus 1. So this we can write in form of 9 upon 4 is equal to 2 and 1 upon 4. This 2 first you write quotient, then write remainder, and then write divisor. So 2 and 1 upon 4. This is the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction means the combination of whole number and the improper proper fraction. Okay, that is the clear meaning of mixed fraction. You can easily convert any improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, student. Now next topic. My next topic is the 4th point, and now 4.8 conversion of into mixed fraction. You already discussed conversion of mixed fraction. Already you can write. Now first is also convert mixed fraction into fraction. Suppose one mixed fraction is given. For example, same. Suppose we write 2 1 upon 4. So how can we this mixed fraction convert into a mixed fraction? It is very simple. Use the method. First this 4 into 2 and then 4 को 2 से multiply किया, then plus 1 and divided by again this same number 4. So is equal to 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 1 upon 4 and is equal to 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 4. Simple method. These two numbers are just multiplied. 4 into 2 and then plus 1. So 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 upon 4. इससे पहले हमने एक एग्जांपल लिया था 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 को हमने कन्वर्ट किया था मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस में. इसी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शंस को मैंने वापस कन्वर्ट किया इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस में. तो देख लीजिए आंसर सेम आ रहा है 9 upon 4. Similarly, you can take the other number like this one. For example, suppose 9 5 upon. Suppose we take the number is the 7. This is a mixed fraction and convert into first 7 into 9, 7 into 9, then plus and divided by same number 7 is equal to 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is now 56 and plus 5 upon 7. Final answer 56 plus 5 is equal to 61 and 61 upon 7. It is the improper fraction because here numerator is greater than. When numerator is greater than, then fraction is called the improper fraction. Improper fractions को ही हम मिक्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और मिक्स को ही हम improper में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप चाहें तो अपना आंसर चेक भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर 61 को 7 से डिवाइड करो, वापस आंसर यही आएगा. इसको मिक्स में कन्वर्ट करके देखिए. Is it clear? So it is the conversion of any mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now next point, fifth point. Next point is, suppose we write this equivalent. Equivalent fractions. Now, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? Now, here equivalent fractions mean just the compare the two fractions. We write this equivalent fraction as a suppose any fraction is given like 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is a fraction. Okay, so find out the some more fraction just equivalent to this one. It's very simple. You take the multiply and divide by the same number. Suppose we multiply 3 and 3. कुछ नहीं किया, 3 3 कट, वापस 2 upon 3 आ रहा है. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई भी किया, डिवाइड भी किया. Now 3 into 2 6 and 3 into 3 9. 6 upon 9 is the equivalent to 2 upon 3. Now similarly you can find out this fraction is equivalent to, suppose multiply by 2 and multiply divide by 2 is equal to 6 into 2 12 and 9 into 2 18. So 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 9 is equal to 12 upon 18. These three fractions are equivalent. Why these three are equivalent? Because these three are equal. अगर हम इनको कट करते हैं तो वापस आंसर 2 upon 3 आएगा, जिसको अपन बोलते हैं simplest form. Actually 6 upon 9 is not a simplest form. तो हम by कट करते हैं. Divide by. This number is divide and this number is also cut. Take the number table of 3. 3 2 ja and 3 3 ja. The answer is 2 upon 3. The answer is 2 upon 3. This 2 upon 3 is the simplest form of 6 upon 9. Similarly, now suppose number is given 12 upon 18. Now 12 and 18 also cut in table of 6. So 6 2 ja and 6 3 ja. So answer is 2 upon 3. Take the first SCF. SCF of 6 or 9 and also SCF of 12 and 18, and then you cut out both the numbers, the write in the simplest form. So any number we can write in simplest form, and any number given already in simplest form, then convert and find out the more equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction means एक फ्रैक्शन आपको गिवन है, उसी के इक्वल आप चाहो जितने फ्रैक्शंस फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करके. ओके, तो आज अपन क्लास यहाँ पे कंप्लीट करते हैं. नाउ ओके, थैंक यू.